before numbers had names, they shaped civilization. Before classrooms, they built pyramids. Before textbooks, they defined art. Mathematics is the oldest language, spoken in patterns, woven into history and stitched into the very fabric of our daily lives. Today, we're here to prove that numbers are not just calculations, they are creations.
Hello guys, you're welcome to Visible Proof, where mathematics and creativity meet in an unexpected way. Fashion. So hello, Ambassador Rebecca Ebong. It's quite a delight to be right here at your showroom. How are you doing today?
Thank you for having me. I'm doing amazing. Thank you so much.
That's great. Today we're doing fashion and maths, kind of mathematics that you wear on your body. So what do you think about that?
So like what you wear on your body, it's a total calculation starting from the choice of style, the design, the pattern making, the resourcing for fabrics, the cost estimation of everything. That actually boils down to what makes it the mathematics of fashion.
From measurements to proportions, from fractions to geometry, fashion is mathematics in motion.
Well, your brand name, Visible Proof, kind of intrigues me. But when you tell a mathematician 1 + 1 = 2, a follow-up question would be, prove it. So what's the idea behind the name?
We don't do the basic or the regular outfits. All right. So if you follow us on our pages, you will see the different kind of outfits you make. They're actually signature outfits. So that means from the measurement to the type of fabric, the body size, the shape, and all the details on the clothes boils down to what makes you a visible man.
Yeah, okay. It's an International Day of Mathematics idea. Incidentally, it's not too well known around here because it also got started by UNESCO in 2019, and it's not spread too much around here. That's why a lot of students, a lot of lecturers don't know about it. But it's good. It's an event, or it's a day that should celebrate interaction of mathematics with other areas of life. Mathematics is a good subject. It's a good language. Mathematics answers most of the questions of nature, questions of development, and all that.
Mathematics is often feared, but when understood through real-world applications, it becomes a way of life, a comfortable way of seeing everything.
Hello guys, it's International Day of Mathematics, and we are right here at Rayfield to explore the intersection of mathematics and fashion. Let's talk about the common fashion disaster, what I ordered versus what I got. The difference usually comes down to a few centimeters in measurement, proportion, and geometry. Do you think paying more attention to these could help avoid such disaster?
Well, I would say yes, because that word or the term, the trending term, what I ordered versus what I got still boils down to both the brand and also the person wearing what the person ordered, right? So now you can have a body shape that would not sit well with a particular choice of style, and you want it. And when the person makes it, it doesn't sit well. That's to still come to what I ordered versus what I got, right? Then also boils down to the designer or the brand. What I ordered versus what I got is you don't have the right measurement. You don't have the right proportion. You don't have the right fabric or understanding on how to have a perfect fit for that outfit, and you just say, I can do it. So I feel like if you can't do it, just say no.
Especially, let's say, let us discuss here. And today's episode has actually given me great passion for maths. I mean, I've actually learned that just that basically I'm an art student, and just like how I study literature and see that life revolves around literature, I think I'm more convinced that life also revolves around mathematics.
Yeah, I didn't think maths really had anything to do with arts. So I widened my scope for view to my field of vision. See that maths is all around us and has a lot.
To see the relevance of mathematics in arts. Symmetries, in geometry. Arts, you can't be artistic without employing some mathematical ideas or concepts. You can't. But when they taught us in secondary school how to draw a man, they told us first for symmetry. Everything this side, the left side, must be the same as the right side. Symmetry. Where do you get that? Mathematics. You get that from geometry. In creativity, I had talked about critical thinking. When you study mathematics, your mind is open. You can create things. For example, you want to solve a problem, because mathematics is for problem solving. Problem solving may need that creativity. You don't know how to solve it. Your mind now begins to analyze a problem, and you now say, well, okay, suppose I do this, suppose I do that. That happens a lot of times in mathematics. That's why mathematics projects takes a little more time, but you don't just write. Your mind is creative. You begin to create things, and the old people created things in mathematics, which we enjoy today. We still have some new things. Creativity is even in the creative arts too. Music, all of them, they come in place with mathematics. If we are talking about fashion, for example, fashion. How do you create that if you don't have a mathematical mind? So everybody going to school should learn some mathematics.
Mathematics is the silent partner behind every successful brand, the strong foundation under every tall and complex structure of arts, business, and expression.
Create yourself, create your world, create your environment. That's important. In any field, it's important.
Now having to get measurements from people and trying to get the number of yardage of fabric
Conversion.
Yes, you need to be able to convert those taking measurements in centimeters and actually buying fabrics in feet, or let's say trouser length. As a practical fashion designer, I'm having to merge measurements in centimeters, okay, and converting it to buying fabrics in yardage, and sometimes in like you say, 3 trouser length. Okay, so you have to convert the measurements into the fabrics you've bought, also the pattern of the design, okay, to be able to create all of them together.
Numbers are not just equations. They are stories, designs, and dreams. As we celebrate mathematics around the world today, the unofficial classroom reminds us that with mathematics, we can be more. Mathematics is the invincible art we live in every day. Happy International Mathematics Day.